Wait, you clicked on the right video. I know exactly why you're here. You want to make money online, you want to be successful, and you want to change your life. And I'm telling you with full confidence, if you watch this video without skipping, you can actually learn how to make money online. Most people are dumb. They waste their entire day watching useless videos and get nothing in return. But you're not like them. You're smart, you're focused, and you actually want to do something meaningful. So for the next few minutes, forget everything around you. Ignore what's happening on the screen. Ignore your surroundings and give 100% focus to my voice. If you watch this video completely, you can start making money online every single day. In this video, I'm going to show you real and genuine ways to make money online that can help you earn thousands of dollars per month. Now just focus on my voice, because I'm about to show you exactly how it works. Most people in the United States wake up every single day with the same routine. Alarm rings, they grab their phone, scroll for a few minutes, and then reality hits. Bills, rent, credit card payments, and that constant pressure to make more money. And deep down, they know one thing: the traditional way of working a job for 8 to 10 hours a day is not enough anymore. That's exactly why millions of people are searching right now how to make money online in the USA, not because it sounds cool, but because they genuinely want a way out. They want freedom. They want control over their time. They want to stop worrying about money every single month. But here's something you need to understand right now. Making money online is real. It works. People are doing it every single day. But most people still fail. And the reason is simple. They either follow outdated methods, chase shortcuts, or quit too early. That's it. It's not because they're not smart enough. It's not because they don't have resources. It's because they don't understand how the game actually works in 2026. So in this video, I'm going to break it down for you step by step. Real ways, practical methods, things that are actually working right now in the USA. And if you stay with me, if you don't skip, you'll walk away with a completely different mindset about making money online and more importantly, a clear direction on what to do next. Let's start with the foundation. If you want to make money online, you need to stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like a builder. Because employees trade time for money, builders create systems that make money. And once you understand this difference, everything changes. Because now your focus shifts from how can I make money today to how can I build something that keeps paying me every day. The first method that is still dominating in 2026 is digital products. And this is one of the highest income potential models online. Why? Because it's scalable. You create something once, and you can sell it unlimited times. No inventory, no shipping, no overhead, just pure leverage. Now don't overcomplicate this. A digital product doesn't have to be some huge course. It can be a simple guide, a checklist, a template, or even a short video training. The key is solving a specific problem. For example, if someone is searching how to make $1,000 online and you create a simple, step-by-step guide that actually helps them do it, people will pay for that. Let's break the numbers down. If your product is priced at $20, you only need 50 sales to make $1,000. If you scale that to 250 sales, that's $5,000. And if you optimize your system, better marketing, better content, you can push that even higher toward $10,000 per month. And here's what makes this even more powerful in 2026. AI tools. You can now create content faster than ever. You can research topics, generate outlines, write content, and even design your product all with the help of AI. But don't make the mistake of relying only on tools. Tools help you move faster, but value is what makes people buy. Now let's move to the second method, content creation, especially YouTube. This is one of the most powerful long-term strategies because it combines multiple income streams into one system. When you create a video, you're not just creating content, you're creating an asset. Think about this. One video can make you $100 over time. Another video might make $500. Some videos can even generate $1,000 or more. And when you have dozens of videos, that income stacks. That's how people go from making $0 to $5,000 or $10,000 per month. But here's the key difference between people who succeed and people who fail. Successful creators focus on searchable content. They create videos that people are actively searching for. Topics like how to make money online in USA, best side hustles 2026, and how to earn $1,000 online. These videos continue to get views every single day, bringing in consistent income. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to start making money online because you don't need your own product. You promote someone else's product and earn a commission for every sale. And in the USA, affiliate commissions can be very high. Some programs pay $50 per sale, some pay $100, and high-ticket offers can pay $500 or even $1,000 per sale. That means you don't need thousands of sales. Even a few conversions can generate serious income. But here's where most people fail. They don't build trust. They just drop links and hope people buy. That doesn't work anymore. You need to create content that helps people make decisions, reviews, tutorials, comparisons. When people trust you, they buy from you. Now let's talk about AI-powered income, one of the fastest growing opportunities right now. In 2026, AI is not optional, it's a competitive advantage. People are using AI to create content, automate workflows, and build digital products faster than ever before. You can use AI to write scripts, generate ideas, design products, and even manage content. This allows you to move faster and scale quicker. And when you move faster, you reach your first $1,000 faster. Another method that works is freelancing, but with a strategy. Most people think freelancing is just trading time for money. And yes, at the beginning, it is. But the goal is not to stay there. The goal is to use freelancing to generate your first $500 or $1,000 and then reinvest that into building passive income streams. Now let's talk about something that most people ignore: consistency. This is the biggest factor in your success. Not talent, not intelligence, consistency. Most people try something for a few weeks and quit, but the people who succeed are the ones who keep going. If you upload one video, you might make nothing. If you upload 10 videos, maybe you make $100. But if you upload 50 videos, now you have a system working for you, potentially generating $1,000 per month or more. That's how momentum builds. Another important factor is choosing the right niche. In the USA, finance-related content has one of the highest APM rates. That means you earn more money per 1,000 views compared to other niches. That's why topics like making money online, investing, and personal finance are so powerful. Now let's bring everything together. If you want to make money online in the USA in 2026, you need a clear plan. First, choose one method. Don't try to do everything at once. Second, focus on providing real value. Help people solve problems. Third, stay consistent, because consistency is what turns effort into real income. And here's the truth. Your first $100 will feel slow. Your first $1,000 will feel like a breakthrough. And once you reach that point, everything becomes easier, because now you understand the system. So the question is, what are you going to do next? Are you going to keep watching videos and doing nothing? Or are you going to take action? Because someone else is starting right now. Someone else is building their first income stream. Someone else is making their first $1,000 online. And there's no reason that can't be you. Start today. Take action. Stay consistent. And remember, this is not about luck. This is about building systems that work for you. And if you do it right, your first $1,000 is just the beginning. Then $5,000. Then $10,000. And beyond. Quick disclaimer before you go. I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. I'm simply sharing knowledge and ideas. Any actions you take or investments you make are your own responsibility, and results may vary. Always do your own research before making any financial decisions.